I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Park and secure the car because safety first. With the ignition in ACC or on, you can control the radio. This avoids shutting the engine if you need it running. Locate the physical volume/power knob on the head unit or spot the touchscreen power icon. Some steering wheels have an audio power button too. Press once to try a short power press. If nothing changes, hold the same power control for a second. This begins the shutdown sequence immediately, and it's fast. Once done with the first press, move into alternative controls if the radio stays on. If your head unit ignores a short press, long press the power/volume knob for 1 to 2 seconds. That forces a shutdown. You can also use the steering wheel audio button to cycle source to off or to mute, then confirm via the menu. On touchscreen units, open the audio settings and select the power off option. This prevents accidental restarts from source cycling or phone Bluetooth reconnection. Finish by turning the ignition to OFF to fully remove accessory power. That ensures the radio won't revive itself. Make sure phone Bluetooth is disconnected or auto-connect is disabled because many radios wake when a paired device connects. If the unit still won't power down, perform a soft reset via the head unit menu or remove the car battery fuse for the radio as a last resort. If you try the fuse, make sure you know the correct fuse location and label to avoid damaging other systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.